Camco's Olympian Deluxe Folding Grill Table is a must-have accessory for any tailgating party or camping trip. Setup is a breeze. In less than a minute, you'll be ready to start grilling. Large tabletop, 2 side shelves, and lower shelf offer enough space for all your cooking gear. Additional hooks and paper towel holder on the side are included to hold all your grilling utensils. By folding down to only 6 inches tall, you'll save valuable storage space. Also includes a convenient carrying bag for storage. Don't waste any more time setting up on your next grilling event. Get your Camco Deluxe Grill Table today.
Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. I'm going to tell you about our bamboo folding table, the compact version. The folding bamboo tabletop is great for picnicking, tailgating, and camping. It features an attractive, natural bamboo top for an at-home feel anywhere you go. The aluminum legs fold flat for transportation and unfold to 18 inches and telescope out to 25.5 inches when in use. Each leg securely clicks into place when fully extended and features an adjustable leveling knob foot. Noah's going to demonstrate how to fold this sucker up.
Let me show you how to fold it up.
Show me. The table folds and unfolds in just seconds. That's compact. Folded dimensions are 26.5 inches by 4.5 inches by 6.5 inches. And it supports up to 85 pounds. I wish it had a bag to carry it in. It has a bag to carry it in. The included storage bag makes it easy to transport, and the overall design is lightweight for added portability. Isn't that convenient? If you don't have the bamboo folding table compact version,
You should get one today, now.
thanks Noah.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, this is Derek with Alps Brands. Today I wanted to go over the Ready Light table. It fits in this really small carry bag, weighs just over a pound. It's made out of the 420D ripstop material, really lightweight aluminum frame, and this is how it will come in. Carry bag's got instructions in case you need to follow instructions whenever you're putting this up. Just unroll the tabletop. Then you got your frame that's in the middle. They fold out and almost snap into place. And the feet do the same. The feet have rubber ends. The top will have plastic ends. Then on the tabletop, you'll see the reinforced corners. Each one of these will be placed over the plastic ends on the top of the frame. So there's your Ready Light table. It's got 2 cup holders on the top. It's perfect for a lightweight camp set. You can have it next to your cot or a chair or anything like that. Really easy to assemble. Any other features or any other specs that you need, go to alpsbrands.com.